Hi all, welcome to another edition of King Joe's. It's been a while since I did any videos, and it doesn't mean I haven't had stuff coming in. I had. It's just that I've been busy trying to get stuff squared away, trying to work out trades, trying to get my house straightened out. Just to show you some of the stuff that I got. I don't even remember from the videos, but picked up famous first edition Batman. Where is it? Was it the Wonder Woman or Sensation Comics? I don't even remember now. But I ended up picking up first edition's Action. First edition Sensation it was. For this. Then I also picked up where are they? Probably all the way in the back. As you guys know, I started the Barry Windsor Smith Treasuries, and number one looked like that. Well, they made they made two different variations. I got that one. Well, this one. I don't know if you guys can see them or not, so I should have brought the camera over more this way so you can actually see what I'm trying to show you over here. Like the Batman, the Action Comics. I don't know if I picked up anything new in the Marvel. Let me look. Oh yeah, I did. I got the Empire Strikes Back. I picked up the Whitman variant of 1 and 2, and I did buy a lot, which I ended up getting both variants of the Battlestar Galactica, which I end up getting some double Treasuries, which I have Barry Windsor Smith, the Battlestar Galactica, and the Star Wars number 3. Comic-wise, I don't even... Oh yeah, I also picked up the Amazing World of Superman Treasury, which I actually have to find some bags. I also picked up 3 Marvel Super Specials, number 29 Tarzan of the Apes, number 31 The Last Starfighter, and number 39 Santa Claus the Movie. Plus, let me just move this back more and I'll swing it around. Try to go this way with it. Because I've been doing a lot of work up here in the attic. I want to get some room to where I can actually show these books off better. Ooh. I bought a couple lots on eBay. And I made out like a bandit on one eBay sale. But let me get these books over here. It's actually nice and cool up here in the attic. I still have to put some of my books away that I had for my trade with Tom Ryan. So that's some of the books I got from him. These are just, but this was just stuff I picked up. I'll show you what I got on some of the stuff. We'll start off with the run of Steel I bought. Issue 0. Issue 1, which I think I already had this, so that'll end up going in my double pile. Issue 2. 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, issue 8, issue 9, issue 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. This was the one. I actually bought 3 lots off of one guy. This was one of the 3. I bought the full series of steel. And then I bought this lot off of somebody else. I got Batman Vengeance of Bane #1 and Batman Vengeance of Bane #2. And I got a kick out of it because when I went on eBay, some of the people wanted 25 to 30 bucks just for #1, and some of them actually had them on slab that wanted as high as 150 to 200 bucks. Got both issues for 19 bucks with shipping. So I was happy I have the first Bane now, first appearance of Bane. Then in the mail I got Teen Titans #2, Superman 34. And this is the other lots I bought off of the same dealer I got the steel books off. I got Tangent, Superman's Reign, #1, #2, #3, #4, #5, #6, #7, #8, #9, #10, #11, and #12. Then they had, I guess for the 98 series, they're all #1s, but they're different, and they have like different things on the bottom. I actually need the first one, which is like the mask one, but I have JLA, Joker's Wild. I'm missing the one that I guess would be Hawkman. I guess that's what that's supposed to be. It's like a half moon with a little thing coming out. But I got Power Girl, the Superman, the Trials of the Flash, Tales of the Green Lantern, and Wonder Woman. And then I guess I did the same thing in 97, which I ended up getting the full run of these, which was Green Lantern, Flash, the Metal Men, the Secret Six, the Atom, the Joker, the Sea Devils, Nightwing, and the Doom Patrol. So actually I got to track down, I think, those 2 or 3 Tangent comics that I need, and I probably have some of these. So I got to see what doubles I'll end up with. And then I picked up Shadow Pact, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15, number 16. I actually like this cover. Number 17, number 18 with Detective Chimp, number 19, number 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and issue 25. So I actually got the whole series of Shadow Pact. It's the fun thing, you know, it's like my Tangent book should be like somewhere right over here too, so who the hell knows. It's one of these things, it's like all the books. I've been trying to get a lot of this stuff figured out, what I'm going to do with it. Because it's like, oh my god, how many books you got? And the Tangents should have been right over here somewhere, and they're not. Oh yeah, they are. Oh, okay. I'll end up having doubles of 3 of the Superman Reign ones. Because that's all I had was 3 issues. I was hoping I would have had doubles of, actually not doubles, I was actually hoping I would have had the 1 issue I needed. We'd have to bag and board that, I see, because that's a book that ain't bagged and board. But yeah, I got doubles of Tangent number 4, 7, and 8. Oy, I got so many bloody books to put away, it's ridiculous. Well, I figure I better end this now because the batteries are probably going to die on me pretty quick. But, yeah, I got 3 double Tangents. This actually, I have a stack of like another 75 books of doubles. I'm not even going to go through them. I want to get through the trades I'm doing now and get all this stuff organized up here before I even do another trade with anybody. Because it seems like when I did the trade, my last trade with Vin Carew, I actually got a bunch of Iron Mans I already had. There's like six or 7 Iron Mans in there, and I'm like, oh. I mean, I really have to get the stuff in that computer system and make sure it stays in there, and I know, you know, it matches what I have here. Because I'm not even sure what the hell I got anymore. It's just crazy with all because all the stuff has been going in and out. I had kids here for the last couple months, and the longer they were here, the worse they got. In fact, as they left, I can't find my daughter's DS and one of her games. It disappeared. They said it was downstairs on the table. Well, I ripped apart my entire downstairs. I checked both end tables, coffee table, kitchen table that I have downstairs. My drafting table wasn't on any of them. And then they called up and they said Brian had my daughter's purse, which I don't know why he had my daughter's purse, but I was like, okay, who knows what else he took home with him. It's just, well, you guys, the camera's going to die, so I'd like to thank all you guys for viewing, subscribing, and King Joe out. Okay, got this today in the mail, adding this onto the video I shot last night. So, let me just, I have one more package coming besides this, so let's see which one this one is.
And it's King Joe.
Well, they know it's King Joe. I'm adding this onto the video I shot last night.
Oh. That's music?
Yeah, but...
Music?
I didn't order it. Thank you for your order. Okay, this is the three Vampirilla books I ordered. Okay, how the hell does this guy have them in here?
Okay, this is... Yeah. You want me to throw this out?
Huh?
You want me to throw this out?
Yeah, it'll go in the stack with this garbage here.
Okay. This mostly says, first I will go to God and stuff. This is hello, Betty. Stay down.
I guess I'll keep this bag that this came in. This is a nice bag.
Just don't try to rip it.
I got 3 Vampirilla books to add to my Vampirilla collection. Let's see. Issue number 78.
Hey, I was like 78. I don't know. Alright after.
74.
Hey. I'm actually going to the car because...
Which I actually like the back of that. Back of this one. It's got new Star Wars books. Punch Out and Make It book, Star Wars album, and the pop-up. I have the Star Wars storybook that they show on the back of that. Cool. And I got Vampirilla number 69. So now these will go up in the attic. The rest of my Vampies, which now I got like probably close to 20 issues. But that does it for this edition of King Joe. Thank you guys for viewing and subscribing.
King Joe out.
And you can go shut it off. King Joe out.
See ya, guys.